Hello, my dear friend. Welcome to this quiet space, just for you. Let's take a quiet moment together and just breathe. Find a comfortable position and let your shoulders fall. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with calm. And now, a long, gentle breath out, releasing any tension you might be holding. One more time, in and out. Good. Now imagine looking up at a vast, dark night sky. A sky so clear and deep it feels like you could fall right into it. It is peaceful and calm, isn't it? There's a profound stillness in that endless expanse, a quiet that seeps into your very bones. The stars are scattered like tiny, shimmering diamonds on velvet. Some burn with a fierce, steady light, while others offer just a shy, gentle twinkle. They seem still, but they are always moving, always shifting in their ancient dance. They are journeying through space, just as you are journeying through life. Each night, the view is just a little different. The moon waxes and wanes, planets drift across the backdrop, and the constellations themselves rise and set with the seasons. This quiet, constant change is a gentle reminder for us here on Earth. It's a cosmic permission slip. Change is natural, beautiful, and necessary. It is the universe's native language. We are not meant to stay the same forever. We are not statues carved in stone, but rivers flowing toward the sea. You are a living being, designed to grow and evolve. You are a part of this cosmic rhythm of becoming. Think of yourself not as stone, but as a garden under a cosmic sky, sprouting, growing, blooming in seasons. Some seasons are for quiet rest, for roots to deepen. Others are for vibrant, visible growth. All are essential. Look again at that sky. Some stars form patterns. Our ancestors saw heroes, animals, and gods in their arrangements. We call them constellations. They tell stories. They helped travelers find their way home. Your life is a collection of moments, bright joys, quiet sorrows, sudden insights, and long periods of waiting. Together, they are forming a beautiful, unique pattern, your own personal constellation. Unlike the sky, you help draw your own constellation. You are the storyteller, the artist of your own life's map. You can connect the dots in new ways and add bright stars whenever you choose. You can decide that a past failure was not an ending, but a crucial point that led you to a new beginning. You have permission to change. You have permission to redraw your map, to tell a new story. It is good. It is not a betrayal of who you were, but an honoring of who you are becoming. It is right. It is the most natural thing in the universe. Your journey starts now, with a hopeful glance upward, with the simple, powerful decision to see yourself differently. Let's begin with a soft heart and an open mind. Let go of the need to have it all figured out. No rush, no push, just curiosity about who you might become, just a gentle leaning in the direction of your own light. The universe invites one small, gentle step in a new direction. It doesn't demand a giant leap. Life is a grand school, a beautiful, sometimes confusing, but always benevolent classroom. You are here to learn, not just facts and figures, but to learn about compassion, resilience, joy, and love. You are here to learn about yourself. You need not arrive knowing everything. You need not stay the same. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's to be present for the lesson. Each skill adds light, dimension, and beauty to your galaxy. Learning to bake bread, to listen better, to fix a leaky faucet, to speak a new language, each one is a new star. Learning feels gentle, like tending a small star garden. You plant a seed of curiosity. You water it with a little attention each day. A little light, a little time. Watch growth unfold. You don't have to force it. You just have to create the right conditions. Celebrate tiny victories. The moment something clicks. The first time you play a chord correctly. The first conversation in a new language, however clumsy. These are your supernovas. These moments build you, skill by skill. They create a constellation of competence that shines from within. Time is your friend, experience stacks. What feels difficult today becomes the foundation for what is easy tomorrow. Be patient with your process. One skill opens a door to another and another. Learning to be patient with yourself in one area teaches you patience in all areas. Each skill is a tool for a more luminous life. It gives you more ways to express yourself, more ways to connect with others, more ways to solve problems. It adds light to your corner of the universe, revealing the way ahead. The more you learn, the more you can see. As your skills grow, something natural happens. As your inner light brightens, it becomes visible to others. People notice your growing light. They are drawn to your warmth, your capability, your quiet confidence. Responsibility finds you, not as weight, but as a badge of trust. It's a sign that others see the strength and wisdom you've been cultivating. It is the universe saying, I see you, I trust you, you can handle it, you have grown into this. New projects, new asks, these are invitations. They are opportunities to put your learning into practice, to share your light with the world. Taking them on helps you stretch and grow. It's like a muscle. It gets stronger with use. Don't be afraid to be a beginner again in a new role. A beautiful cycle of learning and doing. You learn, which allows you to do more. You do more, which shows you what you still need to learn. Choose what fits your heart and skills. You don't have to say yes to everything. Trust your intuition. Does this feel like a true next step or a distraction? When a task appears, see a chance to shine brighter. See it as a vote of confidence from the world around you. Responsibility is the next step on your star path, the universe trusting you to hold more light. It's an honor, not a burden. You have been preparing all along. Every small thing you learned, every challenge you overcame, was practice for this. Opportunities are like shooting stars. They streak across the sky of your awareness. Bright, beautiful, sometimes very fast. You have to be looking up to see them. Many are faint, seen only when you soften your gaze and pay attention. They don't announce themselves with trumpets. They arrive in whispers, a quiet conversation, an article you happen to read, a small doorway opening for a moment. Sometimes the flash is obvious, often it is subtle. It requires a state of gentle awareness, of being open to possibility. Most chances come when you feel 80% ready, not 100%. If you wait until you feel completely ready, you may wait forever. A little nervous? Good. It means growth is near. That feeling is the tingling of potential, the energy of the new. Engage with it. Tell me more. I might be interested. I'm curious. These are phrases of power. They don't commit you, but they keep the door open. Readiness is less about all the skills and more about a willing, open heart. It's about trusting that you can learn the remaining 20% as you go. Notice the flash. Acknowledge it. You don't have to leap immediately. Just see it. Honor it with your attention. Action is the bridge between who you are and who you're becoming. It's the way you walk from this star to the next in your constellation. Take one small, non-scary step today. The goal is not to overwhelm yourself. The goal is to begin. Look up the number, send one email, buy a notebook, sketch out a rough idea. Small acts build momentum. They are like tiny gravitational pulls, drawing your future closer. Tiny pushes can launch a long journey. A massive rocket begins its ascent with a small spark. Your journey is no different. Fear will show up. That is normal, honey. Fear is an ancient protective part of you. It's not an enemy. It will whisper, what if you fail? What if they laugh? What if you're not good enough? It's just trying to keep you safe in the familiar. Acknowledge it. Nod. Thank it for its concern. Then step anyway. You can feel fear and still be brave. Say, I hear you, fear. Thanks for trying to protect me. I'm doing this little thing anyway. You can come along for the ride, but you don't get to steer. The first step is the hardest, the second is easier, the third easier still. Courage is a muscle that you build with each small, brave choice. Soon you'll look back amazed. One small thing each day. You'll see the path you've created, the new constellation you've drawn in your life, and you will be so proud. Right now, choose the tiniest action you can take, the one that feels most possible. What is it? Just name it in your mind. Go on. The universe is waiting. It is leaning in, ready to support you, ready to meet your small action with its own grand movement. Be in receiving mode, open to the good you've invited. After you send the email or make the call or take the step, don't fill the space with worry. Stay open. Keep your spirit calm, your mind curious, your heart open, and your hands ready to act. This is the posture of graceful growth. Your true self is not a fixed point. It's a guiding light, like the North Star. It's the values and desires that orient you. You don't arrive at it, you navigate by it. Growth is slow and steady, like a long orbit around your sun. It is not a frantic race. It is a patient, beautiful, and inevitable journey. We are part of a larger galaxy. Do not do it alone. Share your journey with trusted friends. Let their light illuminate your path, and offer your light to them in return. Trust yourself. You are on your way. Your star path is unfolding, one step at a time, and it is a wonder to behold.